Let's talk about this 20-volt reciprocating saw by DEWALT. This is a workhorse. My go-to tool whenever I am doing a demo job or a new construction project, I always make sure I have this tool on hand. Now, it is a little bit older, but it still works like it's brand new. The grip up front is perfect for my hand size. It's rubber. It really feels like you're gripping it in multiple areas with your thumb, so it's not gonna move on you. The back with the handle is a perfect design that fits my hands. Up top, there's a safety that if you're not in use, it's not gonna pull the trigger if the safety is on. And of course, there's a quick lever to change out blades. So just set the blade in there and now you're good to go. There's also a separate way that you could set the blade up top depending on what angle you are cutting. Now this could be paired up with any of the DEWALT batteries that are on the market today. I'm going to pair it up with this battery right here and you can just see it in use. Highly recommend this product. Again, it's been with me for over 5 years and I've never had an issue with it. So go out and grab your reciprocating saw today.